Hi, I'm Spencer Hay, Chief Science and Product Officer at Prism Bio. In this video, I will be showing how you can use Prism's Knowledge Finder to quickly build a powerful, easy-to-use knowledge resource from a set of conference presentations. A few weeks ago, I attended the Lab of the Future event in Boston, Massachusetts. This was a great conference with a ton of interesting speakers and tracks. But like so many conferences, it isn't possible to see everything. It can also be challenging to take notes or pictures and remember everything interesting that you've heard. Thankfully, the organizers of Lab of the Future gave attendees access to the speakers' presentations after the event. They sent around a couple of zip files with PDFs and PowerPoints. Just having the files is nice, of course, but by uploading the presentations into Knowledge Finder, I can now take full advantage of access to this material. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm creating collections for each of the different tracks. I simply drag and drop the presentations into the relevant collection. Knowledge Finder runs its deep learning algorithms in the background. And in less than 10 minutes, my library is complete and ready to go. I can now use semantic search to explore and find the exact content I'm looking for. I can chat to help me digest or distill content and put it into conversation with my work. It's really that easy. And this is just one way that Knowledge Finder can accelerate learning.